Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to crochet a pretty heart headband. This headband is suitable for the babies. You can use any yarn you want. I use this yarn, Guksim Natalie, and number 4mm hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot and make some chains. These chains are used as the headband strap to tie the two ends of the headband. Now I make 6 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now I'm going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. So skip 1, 2, 3 chains and make 4 treble crochets into the 4th chain. Yarn over twice and insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops. This is the first treble crochet. I make 3 treble crochets in same chain. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I have 4 treble crochets into the 4th chain, and now I want to make 2 double crochets into the next chain. So yarn over once and insert the hook into next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 remaining loops, 1, and another double crochet into the same chain. Okay, and now I make 2 single crochets into the next chain. 1 and 2. Okay. And this is the one side of first heart, chain 1, and now I want to make a picot from these 2 vertical loops. Insert the hook into these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and make a picot. And now I want to do exactly the same on the opposite side. So turn the heart and make 2 single crochets in a very next chain into the remaining loop of next chain, 1 and 2. Then I'll make 2 single crochet in remaining loop of next chain here, 1 and 2, and 4 treble crochets in next chain. Yarn over twice and make a treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is the other side of the first heart, and now chain 2 and make a slip stitch into this space. Okay, and this is the first heart, and now I want to make another heart, so chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and repeat this sequence for next 6 chains. Skip 3 chains and make 4 treble crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over twice, and make a treble crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then make 2 double crochets into the next chain here, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochets into the next chain. Okay, and now I want to skip the last chain here and chain 1 and make a picot from these 2 vertical loops. Insert the hook into these and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, and this is the picot, and turn the work, and I want to repeat this sequence for the other side. So make 2 single crochets into remaining loop of next chain, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochets into next chain, 1 and 2, and 4 treble crochets into the next chain. Okay, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into this space. Pull it tightly, and this is the second heart of the headband, and I want to repeat this heart one more time. And so chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3 chains from the hook and make 4 treble crochets into the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th chain. 1 treble crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Then make 2 double crochets into next chain, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochets into the next chain, 1 and 2, and skip the last chain, chain 1, and make a picot into these 2 loops. Okay, and turn the work and repeat this for the other side. Make 2 single crochets into remaining loop of next chain, 1 and 2, 2 double crochets into next chain, 1 and 2, and 4 treble crochets into the next chain. Okay, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into this space here, and this is the third heart. Okay, I want to repeat these several times. You have to do as many as hearts you want. I repeat that and I come back. Okay, I made 10 hearts totally, and now I want to make other strap of the headband. So make some chains again. The length of these chains are equal to initial chains. Okay, and now fasten off and cut the yarn. And our pretty headband is ready. It's so cute, and you can use it for babies. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.